Welcome to the Living Irving channel. Welcome to the Living Irving channel.
In today's video, we're going to be doing a super hydrating wash and go. So I'm going to be using the Aunt Jackie's product. This is the Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisture Intensive Leave-In Conditioner, and then the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. These products leave hydration in your hair, as well as this argan premium oil that I like to use on my hair as well. So I have freshly trimmed hair. I got a nice little cut and my hair is super healthy. So after my wash, I'm going to go ahead in with the leave-in conditioner. I love going in with leave-in conditioner to make sure my hair is moisturized. Then I like to seal it in with argan oil. I like argan oil because it's extremely light, and being that I have fine thin hair, I don't want too much to weigh my hair down. I do want a little definition as well as some fluff, if that makes sense. So I'm starting in the back with the Curl La La Defining Curl Custard, and as you can see, I'm just going from row to row, and I'm not the best parter because I can't see in the back of my head, but it doesn't matter. Just go ahead and don't overdo it on product, but just get enough product and saturate it in each coil and just finger coil your hair. Now I like to start from the root and work my way up. No, start from the bottom and work up, because the ends, I need them to be moisturized. If those ends aren't moisturized, then the hairstyle is going to come out looking frizzy. So work your way from the bottom up to the top at the root, and then make sure to get that product on the root as well. So it'll prevent a lot of frizz at the root. And you can see I have a little bounce going, and I love this lightweight product. I love Aunt Jackie's products. Her products have been working really good on my hair lately, and being that I got a trim, my hair is just loving all of this extra juicy hydration, and you can see how it is finger coiling up. So what I must say about using just this product, if you're looking for just a very soft hairstyle, this product will give you that plus hydration, but it doesn't give you a crunch, or it doesn't last like if you were to use like a gel. So keep that in mind. This is just something to keep my hair hydrated for a few days. I love it for just the extra moisture and just the curl definition. But yeah, so you just work your way from the back on up to the top, and as you can see, I like to shake my hair out while I'm doing this, just to kind of mix the curls up a little bit and just to see how the product is working on my coils. So now we're finally at the top, and you definitely want to just part your hair in the direction that you want your curls to go. I decided to try bangs today because I'm always doing a side part, so I'm just going to see how it's going to do with bangs. And being that I got a little haircut, it was a hair trim, but it ended up being a nice little cut. So I don't have much bangs, and of course, you know, the shrinkage is real. So once it dries up, it's going to shrink up. So yeah, I'm just finishing up the top of my hair and just separating the curls a little bit by shingling it with my finger. Check out my new book, The Hidden Beauty. So yeah, there I go, giving myself another shake. I'm going to shake it out before I go in and blow dry this. So you can see the shrinkage is real. So I'm just taking my pick and just fluffing it out from the root just a little bit to give me some volume. And then if you have any frizz, just go ahead and situate the hair. But this is what it's looking like. I love it. I think it's super cute. Here's the back of it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.